Bestie, if your jawline has started losing shape, your neck is looking a little looser, or those lines are showing up faster than your skincare can keep up, don't stress. Today I'm showing you a simple at-home routine that has helped thousands of people tighten their jawline, smooth their neck, and bring back that lifted, firm look. And yes, the only product you need is Vaseline. Let's get into it. Sagging in the jawline and neck happens to almost everyone as we age, and it's more than just loose skin. The main culprits are a combination of loss of collagen and elastin, repeated movements, and weakened muscles in the neck. Collagen gives your skin structure, while elastin allows it to bounce back after movement. Over time, these proteins decline naturally and the skin starts to sag, creating jowls and a drooping neck. Another major factor is the platysma muscle, the broad sheet of muscle that runs from your jaw down to your collarbone. When this muscle loses tone, the skin over it follows, creating vertical cords and loose folds. Environmental damage like sun exposure accelerates the problem by breaking down collagen and causing pigmentation and dryness. Lifestyle habits like poor posture, dehydration, or significant weight changes also make sagging worse. Additionally, repetitive facial movements like smiling, chewing, or even looking down at your phone can deepen lines and accentuate sagging over time. Many people notice a double chin or turkey neck despite being otherwise fit, and this can be frustrating because it doesn't always respond to diet or exercise. The good news is that this process is not irreversible. By targeting both the skin and the underlying muscles, you can firm, lift, and smooth your jawline and neck naturally. This is where a simple at-home routine using Vaseline and targeted massage can make a huge difference, stimulating circulation, promoting collagen production, and supporting the platysma muscle for a tighter, more youthful look. Understanding why the sagging happens gives you the power to fight it effectively instead of just covering it up. Before starting the Vaseline neck lift routine, you don't need fancy tools or expensive creams. You just need a few simple items that are likely already at home. Number 1. Vaseline Petroleum Jelly. This is your core product. It's thick, occlusive, and locks in moisture, creating a protective layer that softens the skin and allows massage to work more effectively. Vaseline also helps improve elasticity over time by preventing water loss and supporting the skin's natural barrier. Number 2. A clean towel or cloth. You'll use this for gentle massaging techniques and optional warm compresses. Make sure it's soft and lint-free to avoid irritation. Number 3. Warm water. For slightly warming the towel or your hands, which improves circulation and helps Vaseline penetrate better. Number 4. Optional cream or serum. If you want extra hydration or nutrients, you can apply a thin layer of your favorite moisturizer or nourishing serum before Vaseline. The petroleum jelly will lock it in for maximum effect. Number 5. A quiet space and 5 to 10 minutes. This routine works best when you can focus on slow, deliberate movements without rushing. Treat it as a mini self-care ritual rather than a chore. With just these simple tools, you can perform the Vaseline neck lift at home safely and effectively, targeting sagging, fine lines, and loss of firmness without any expensive procedures. Before you start the Vaseline neck lift routine, preparing your skin properly is crucial. If your skin is dirty, dry, or congested, the massage won't be as effective and Vaseline won't penetrate properly. Step 1. Cleanse thoroughly. Use a gentle facial cleanser to remove dirt, sweat, and any makeup residue from your neck and jawline. This ensures your skin can fully absorb the Vaseline and that the massage will stimulate healthy circulation without dragging bacteria across your skin. Step 2. Warm up the skin. You can lightly steam your neck over a bowl of warm water for 1 to 2 minutes or use a warm, damp towel. This increases blood flow, relaxes the muscles, and softens the skin, making it more receptive to the massage. Warmth also helps open pores slightly, allowing Vaseline to lock in hydration more effectively. Step 3. Apply a thin layer of Vaseline. You don't need to slather it on, just enough to create a slippery surface that allows your fingers or towel to glide over the skin without friction. The layer should be even across the jawline, under the chin, and on the front and sides of the neck. Step 4. Relax your posture. Sit comfortably, drop your shoulders, and gently tilt your head back. This gives you full access to the jawline and neck muscles and ensures your massage movements are precise and safe. Proper preparation makes all the difference. Clean, warm, and slightly hydrated skin sets the stage for maximum results, allowing the Vaseline massage to stimulate circulation, improve elasticity, and lift sagging areas effectively. Vaseline, or petroleum jelly, is a surprisingly powerful tool for at-home jawline and neck lifting routines. One of its primary benefits is that it locks in moisture, creating a hydrated, plump environment for the skin. Hydrated skin is firmer and more elastic, which helps reduce the appearance of sagging and fine lines. When skin lacks hydration, it can look thinner and droopier, making jawlines and necks appear older. Applying Vaseline ensures that your skin retains all the moisture from any cream or serum applied beforehand, enhancing the results of your routine. Another advantage of Vaseline is its protective barrier. The skin on the neck is delicate and prone to damage from environmental stressors such as sun exposure, pollution, and fluctuating weather conditions. Vaseline forms a thin layer that shields the skin from these external aggressors, preventing further sagging or premature aging while your muscles and skin respond to the exercises. During the warm towel and tapping or slapping routine, Vaseline also reduces friction. This allows your hands or towel to glide smoothly over the skin without causing irritation, redness, or micro tears. The gentle stimulation from the massage combined with the protective glide from Vaseline encourages blood flow, strengthens the underlying platysma muscle, and promotes collagen and elastin production, all essential for a firmer neck and jawline. Additionally, Vaseline enhances the absorption of any nourishing ingredients in creams or oils applied underneath. By locking in these nutrients, it maximizes their effectiveness, giving your skin both short-term hydration and long-term support. In short, Vaseline works by hydrating, protecting, and supporting the skin's elasticity while enabling safe and effective massage. Its barrier function, glide for techniques, and ability to enhance nutrient absorption make it an essential, affordable, and reliable component of any home neck and jawline lifting routine. After completing your Vaseline neck lift routine, the post-routine phase is just as important as the massage itself. This is when your skin absorbs the remaining nutrients and fully benefits from the stimulation of circulation, hydration, and collagen support. Leaving your skin undisturbed for a few minutes after the routine allows the Vaseline to lock in moisture, keeping the skin plump and resilient. Begin by gently patting any excess Vaseline into the skin rather than wiping it away. This helps the product penetrate deeper and maintains a protective barrier throughout the night or until your next wash. Avoid touching the area excessively, as your hands can introduce bacteria or dirt that counteracts the care you've just given your skin. If you perform the routine at night, this is the ideal time to let your skin rest. The skin's repair and regeneration processes are naturally more active during sleep, and the Vaseline helps create an optimal environment for these processes. For morning routines, consider applying a lightweight sunscreen over the treated area if you'll be exposed to the sun, because the protective barrier created by Vaseline does not provide UV protection. Consistency in the post-routine phase is key. Each time you repeat the routine, your skin responds better, gradually improving elasticity, reducing sagging, and smoothing fine lines. Even after a single session, you may notice immediate hydration and a temporary firmer feeling, but long-term results come from daily dedication. Finally, remember to hydrate internally. Drinking water and maintaining good overall skin health amplifies the effects of your routine. A few minutes of mindful post-care after your Vaseline massage can significantly enhance the results, ensuring your jawline and neck remain firmer, smoother, and more youthful looking over time. Seeing results from your Vaseline neck lift routine won't happen overnight, but the changes are steady and noticeable with consistent practice. Your skin is a living organ that responds gradually to hydration, massage, and improved circulation, so patience is key. Immediately after your first session, you may notice that your skin feels softer, more hydrated, and slightly firmer. This is mainly due to the Vaseline locking in moisture and temporarily plumping the skin. Within a week of consistent daily use, subtle improvements become more visible. Fine lines start to appear less pronounced, and the overall texture of your neck and jawline feels smoother. Circulation from the massage stimulates collagen production, which contributes to gradual firmness and elasticity. It's important to note that while Vaseline provides a protective and hydrating barrier, it works best in combination with the massage techniques you've learned, as the physical stimulation signals the skin to strengthen and tighten. For more significant results, especially for deeper sagging or platysma bands, you should expect noticeable improvement after 2 to 4 weeks of daily routine. During this period, the skin starts to regain elasticity, and your jawline and neck gradually look more lifted and youthful. The changes are cumulative. The more consistent you are, the more dramatic the results. Long-term commitment is what makes this routine effective. Even after seeing initial improvements, maintaining the habit ensures your skin retains firmness, reduces the development of new sagging, and continues to look smooth and nourished. Pairing your routine with healthy lifestyle choices such as staying hydrated, protecting your skin from sun exposure, and supporting overall skin health with balanced nutrition will enhance results. In short, expect gentle improvements immediately, subtle changes in a week, and visible lifting and smoothing after several weeks of daily care. Consistency, patience, and proper technique are what make this at-home Vaseline neck lift truly work. Consistency is the key to making this routine effective, but that doesn't mean you need to overdo it. For optimal results, this Vaseline neck lift should be performed once daily, ideally in the evening as part of your nighttime skincare ritual. Evening application allows your skin to fully absorb the Vaseline while your body rests, maximizing hydration and repair without interference from daily activities like sun exposure, pollution, or makeup. If your skin is particularly dry or has early signs of sagging, you can safely repeat the routine twice a day, once in the morning and once at night, but it's important to be gentle with the massage. Overstimulation or using too much pressure can irritate the delicate neck skin. The goal is rhythmic, controlled movements that enhance circulation, not force the skin. Consistency over time matters far more than frequency in a single day. A daily habit, even for just 5 to 10 minutes, compounds over weeks, gradually improving elasticity and firmness. Missing a day here and there won't undo progress, but skipping long stretches can slow results. Make it part of your routine, like brushing your teeth or washing your face, so it becomes automatic rather than optional. It's also worth noting that this routine works best in combination with overall skincare practices. Keep your neck protected during the day with sunscreen, avoid harsh soaps, and stay hydrated to support the skin from the inside out. The Vaseline neck lift is most effective when your skin is already in a healthy, nourished state. In summary, once daily is sufficient for most people, with the option to do a second session if needed. Gentle, consistent application over time is what transforms the neck and jawline, keeping your skin firm, hydrated, and youthful looking. While the Vaseline neck lift routine is highly effective on its own, combining it with a few additional habits can dramatically enhance your results. First, posture matters. Many people develop a saggy jawline and neck due to constant forward head posture from phones, computers, or poor ergonomics. Regularly checking your posture and gently elongating your neck can reduce strain on the platysma muscle, helping it stay firmer over time. Second, gentle facial and neck exercises can complement the massage. Simple movements like slowly tilting your head back, puckering your lips toward the ceiling, or softly stretching the sides of your neck can stimulate circulation, promote collagen production, and strengthen underlying muscles. These exercises, combined with the Vaseline massage, give your skin a natural lift without any invasive procedures. Hydration and nutrition also play a crucial role. Drinking enough water throughout the day keeps your skin plump and elastic, while a diet rich in antioxidants, healthy fats, and collagen-supporting vitamins like C and E support skin repair from the inside. Incorporating foods like berries, leafy greens, and nuts helps your skin stay resilient against aging. Finally, sun protection is essential. Even if your neck is out of direct sunlight for part of the day, UV exposure can thin skin, break down collagen, and accelerate sagging. Use a lightweight sunscreen or a moisturizer with SPF to protect your neck and jawline. By combining the Vaseline neck lift with posture awareness, targeted exercises, hydration, nutrition, and sun protection, you create a holistic approach that not only enhances the results of your routine, but also helps prevent future sagging. These small, consistent steps compound over time, giving you a firmer, more youthful-looking neck and jawline. Let's wrap up everything we've covered so you can take action confidently. First, we looked at why the jawline and neck sag. Aging, gravity, loss of collagen, and repeated strain on the platysma muscle all contribute. Understanding the root causes helps you see why a consistent routine makes such a difference. Next, we covered what you need for this routine. A clean face and neck, Vaseline, a warm towel, and a few minutes of focus. Then we walked through prepping your skin, ensuring it's clean and ready to fully absorb the Vaseline for maximum hydration and barrier support. The warm towel method is the core of the routine. It increases blood flow, gently lifts and firms the skin, and makes the Vaseline penetrate deeper. Followed by a Vaseline massage, it locks in moisture, strengthens the skin, and encourages elasticity. We also discussed post-routine care, including gentle patting, extra hydration, and protecting the skin afterward. If you found this routine helpful, hit the like button so more people can discover it. Subscribe for more skincare routines that actually work with ingredients you already have at home, and let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.